Hi, I'm Rachel Rose. Welcome to my video. This morning I got this in the post. It's Hare's Emporium subscription box for October, and it's probably got the crystal of the month in there as well because I get that too. Okay, this is one of my favourites, so let's have a look. My invoice. October subscription box. The element of water. Oh, interesting. Okay, fab. I love this design. I love hares. That would make an amazing tattoo. So, the water element. I'm not very familiar with the symbols, so I'm not sure if it goes that way or that way, but that's really cool. Maybe they'll do the other elements as well. It could be made into bunting. That would be cool. That's nice. You could have it on the altar and do a little ritual on there for water. Yeah, that's cool. Ooh, what's this? Seashell tea lights. Oh, they're sweet. I hope they're vegan friendly. I'm pretty sure I asked if everything would be when I first ordered from Hare's Emporium, so I might just check though, because some candles have animal fats in, which I really don't want to burn, thank you. But yeah, I'll find out. They're really cute. Okay, lots of wormies. My mice love that. Okay, some herbs. Oh, Ulva intestinalis. Oh, grass kelp. Oh, maiden's hair sea lettuce. Okay, or gutweed. So that's a kind of seaweed. Oh, that's exciting. Feminine moon water promotes beauty and glamours. Can be used in travel and protection spells, as well as for sea and wind magic. Cool. I haven't got any seaweeds. I love seaweed. I love eating seaweed. Ooh, that smells just like the sea. That smells really yummy, actually. I mustn't eat it. I love how they put their herbs in little hexagonal jars like this, so I can keep using the jars once I've used it all up. Yeah, cool. And another herb. White willow bark. Oh, fabulous. Moon, water, lunar magic, healing, protection against negativity, and wishes. It is said to heighten intuition and assist with divination. Cool. And the Ogham name for willow is Shayla, which I love. Such a wonderful word. Look at that. Bark. Oh, it smells beautiful. Cool. Another one. Passion flower. Oh, lovely. I sometimes put that in, make a tea from it before I go to bed. It's good for insomnia and anxiety as well. Water, Venus, associated with passion and love magic, as well as aiding the cooling of passion. Aids with bringing calm and peace to stressful situations and promotes sleep. Cool. Yeah, look at that. Lovely. Smells very planty. Okay, more wormies. Oh, look at this. It's a little bowl. Oh, that's so sweet. I guess for putting water in. Fab. I've got a bottle of full moon water full moon seawater that I collected a few months ago. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay. Oh, aquamarine. Water, throat chakra. The name comes from the Latin aqua marinus, meaning water of the sea. Aids in calming, soothing, cleansing, creativity, truth, trust, and letting go. Helps promote psychic abilities. It's nice and heavy. I've got a little bit of aquamarine about the place. Feels huge. Wow, that's really green. I would have thought it would be more blue. That's beautiful. Wow. Oh, I love chunks of raw crystal. You'll know that if you've seen any of my other videos. Oh, that's really pretty. It's kind of got two shades of green. Yeah, like darker, slightly bluish, and then a more yellowy green. Oh, that's gorgeous. I think I've got some yeah, I've got this little tumble stone here. So look how different that is. And I've got, oh, look at this. It's an aquamarine as well. Yeah, this is fabulous. It looks kind of like a peridot kind of green. Oh, I really like this. Cool. Right. Oh, an ammonite. Water, third eye chakra, the fossil of a now extinct marine mollusk called ammonoids. They are a stone that links water and earth energies. Their spiral form makes them symbols of positive change and motion. They are said to aid with new projects and life journeys. Cool. Oh, there are two. Oh, they're so cute. They haven't been polished or anything, so they're in their raw, natural form. That's fab. Look at all those little indentations. Wow. Cool. I have one that's been polished. Where is it? Yeah, so this is one that I was given for Christmas last year, I think. And it's been cut in half and polished. But this is really, I love this. This so raw and natural. Lovely. I've never found one on the beach. I always look for fossils, but I've never found one of these. I guess I'm looking in the wrong beaches. Okay, auralite. Water, third eye chakra. Oh, fluorite, not auralite. Fluorite brings energies of peace, positivity, focus, and order. It is a stone that empowers you to make wishes and pursue your biggest aspirations. A great stone for cleansing and stabilizing your aura. Fab. Let's have a look at this. I was thinking, what's auralite? Fluorite. Ah, it's a very purpley one. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't have any green in it. Cool. Fluorite often has green and blue. I've got a bit here that I found it in a charity shop actually. This is just a purple one. Cool. That's nice. I like the striations, the banding. Nice. That could make a nice pendant actually. Okay, so here's the paper that goes through everything to do with water. And this must be the crystal of the month, white aragonite. I've never seen white aragonite. Let's have a look. It's usually a kind of browny, orangey colour that I've seen. Oh, wow. That's nothing like what I've seen before. It's like a really light green. It's kind of creamy layers in it. Wow. It's beautiful. Cool. Oh, it's for Capricorn. I'm Capricorn. Wow. So there are all the attributes there. Yeah. Okay, I think that's everything in there. Yep. Let's go through everything. So, in the box, the water element. So we got a cute little bowl for putting water in. That's really sweet. Some maiden's hair sea lettuce, passion flower, and willow bark. All nice watery herbs. Some seashell tea lights. A water symbol, which might go the other way round, I'm not quite sure. Sorry. Aquamarine. Beautiful. It definitely makes me think of the sea. Fluorite stone, purple one. And two little ammonites. Really cool. And the crystal of the month, which is white aragonite. It's just gorgeous. Cool. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you enjoyed my new Samhain decorations. I couldn't resist these little ghosties. And I found some tiny pumpkins. Yes, please like and subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram. I'm rachelrose.drusidruid. Thank you. Bye bye.